how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on Roblox. Open up Roblox, then you will click on the Robux icon in the top right, and then we're just going to select buy Robux. From here, you want to scroll down until you find the amount which you are trying to purchase. For example, here 500 Robux. Click on the amount right here, and you will see the different payment methods. So you have Visa as the first option here. So we are going to select credit or debit card. This is going to be the first option. And then you will need to have registered a billing address assigned to your vanilla Visa gift card. You can just Google search for register address vanilla Visa gift card, and that is going to activate your card. Once you have your card activated, then right here what we're gonna do is just type our vanilla Visa gift card information, cardholder name. This is gonna be the name you have registered on your vanilla Visa gift card, and also your country here. It should automatically detect it. Afterwards, you will just click on pay, and that way you will have used a vanilla Visa gift card to purchase Robux on Roblox. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.